So without further ado, it is my great privilege and pleasure to invite forward Alex Wenban, our head boy, and Olivia Hughes to address you this morning. Please acknowledge our head boy and head girl.
Good morning, staff, students and Executive Council, and welcome to the first Kent Street Senior High School Assembly for the new academic year. It is my privilege today to introduce myself and Alex as the head boy and head girl for 2021. We are both eager and excited to be the lead representatives for the School Student Council.
In collaboration with students, representatives of the Student Council, school staff and the wider community, our role is pivotal in looking forward and ensuring that Kent Street students are represented in the best way possible in your interests. Our school is made up of a diverse range of individuals. Our aim is for all students to feel like they belong in a strong educational community, where their options and ideas are valued, respected and taken into consideration no matter what.
We cannot achieve this goal without your support. We request that every student work with us by voicing ideas and providing feedback. To earn respect and the right to be listened to, we have an obligation to play our part. Perhaps more importantly, we ask you to consider the importance of how you each contribute and represent Kent Street, both while at school and in the wider community. The term actions speak louder than words is pertinent when we as students represent our school while out and about, whether it be out in the supermarket or on the train or bus. Whilst wearing uniform, we are all representatives of the school. People notice us when we are acting or behaving well, but unfortunately, they are more likely to remember the bad. Reputation is something we must all take responsibility for. We all play our part. We need to make Kent Street's reputation the best. We want to make our school a place where parents choose to send their kids, not only because of our specialist programs attracting talent, but because our school attracts good all-round students who value and respect attending a school with high academic standards and expectations, and take advantage of the opportunities on offer. In the end, this will help all of us when we leave school, and people consider where we received our high school education. People tend to get better opportunities when their high school is held in high esteem. It is certainly in all of our interests to help each other to do the right thing and work together to achieve this.
Social media means more now than ever that our reputation spreads faster than we think. Think before you post things online that could negatively affect their reputation. Let's celebrate our successes this year and all be advocates for the school. Last year on East Victoria Park Facebook page, news spread fast of the commendable actions of some Kent Street students who assisted elderly people in the supermarket who were struggling to get hold of toilet paper. While others selfishly fought over the toilet paper during the COVID-19 crisis, our school heroes ensured that people that were in the most vulnerable situation displayed heroicness. They displayed our school value of courage in the battle of scarce resource. A little courage and kindness goes a long way for a lot of people.
Welcome to the year students in particular. You are at the start of your high school journey, but you will play your part to continue the school story that has an 80-year history. Successful past students have excelled in the field of academic achievement, sports, politics and much more. There are too many to mention, but we hope that one day you may join the list of successful past Kentians that contributed to our school's successful reputation. We proudly have a Kent Street Senior High School alumni group, which includes past students and teachers who meet and continue their links with the school. This demonstrates the importance of our school community that we wish to maintain their links with the school well beyond their schooling years. Hopefully in the future, you will look back on 2021 and be proud of the part you have played to help improve the school in some way.
Diminishing stereotypes within our school is another area we would like to help with. Our school is a diverse community and overall acceptance of difference is strong. However, there is still a tendency for a certain kind of person to be the one who likes a particular subject or participates in a particular activity. We don't want students to not take advantage of any opportunities on offer at the school because they don't feel like they fit in the mold. We need to consider how to be more inclusive as a group.
We ask you to join us on this journey and embrace the visions that we share with open-mindedness. Your contribution, whether taking action in school activities, providing ideas or feedback, or merely acting as positive ambassadors for our amazing school, would be much appreciated and to the benefit of us all.
So from me to you, here's to a really successful 2021 for all involved at Kent Street Senior High School. We look forward to hearing from you and seeing the positive influences of the school and in the wider community. Spread the word that Kent Street Senior High School offers many opportunities, and if you're not happy with certain aspects or ideas for improvement, then we look forward to hearing from each and one of you to promote change, growth and improvement this year. Thank you very much for listening.